Hi there, Carl here from Cleaning Warehouse. Using the Shopvac today to remove grit from in between these lines on this decking. I've actually used the whole vac system to remove pigeon excrement from around that hose pipe and up top there, all down the wall and down the bottom. It's both a wet and a dry vac. So I've now moved on to using the vacuum to actually vacuum the slats. And unlike any other vacuum on the market, it has that spade on it, which allows basically contact across the whole path of the rivet in the wood. And I'll just turn it on and show. Obviously, I'm going to get a hair snagged, but it's actually pulling all of the cigarette butts and crap out of the lines in the wood, making it look much fresher. And it's really quick and easy. You can then give the area a hose down and use the deck brush to scrub, and then use the same vac to extract. And the reason you would do that here is that I'm up 3 stories in the middle of Dublin city centre, and I'm not going to be putting a pressure washer up here. So the only way to clean this is using a low moisture method, but you ought to get all of your dry grit soil out first anyway, which is what the Shopvac is doing. Thanks for watching the video.